Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue grill with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 plate. I'm going to set down a 1x6 plate as shown. I want to flip this over. I'm going to take one of these 2x2 plates with the stick on the bottom. I'm going to place this right here. And some hollow studs for little wheels. We're just going to place these right on here. And for a stand, take a 1x2 by 1x2 downwards angular plate. We're going to place a 1x2 flat tile right here. I'm going to place it in these tubes right there. Now I'm going to flip this back over. We got a nice base to work on. On these two studs, a set of 1x1 plates and some inverted 2x2 bricks with bow. They look like they have a 1x2 plate on the back. May want to hold underneath the bottom here. It's a little unstable right now, but it'll all strengthen up here in time. Then a set of 1x2 plates with a side holder. These are going to be used to attach our utensils to the side of the barbecue. Now take a modified 1x2 plate with Technic hole. We're going to place a friction pin right inside, and this one's going to be an upwards modified 1x2 plate with Technic hole. Set that right there. Put this right here in this area. Make sure that this is facing up. This thing will strengthen up once we get to the other side. Then we're going to take another 1x2 modified plate with Technic hole, friction pin, and an upwards modified 1x2 plate with Technic hole. Place this as shown. We're going to set this right here. And everything is strengthened up. Now what I want to do is set down a set of 1x2 radiator grills for a burner. Along the sides, a set of 1x3 flat tiles, and in these two areas, a set of inverted 1x2 plates with bow. Now everything is strengthened up. Now let's build the top. Let's start our lid with a 2x4 plate. On the upper left, a 1x2 flat tile, and on the upper right, a 1x2 jumper plate. Then a set of 2x2 by 2/3 plate with bow. Now I want to flip this over. In the bottom left, a 1x1 plate, followed by a 1x2 plate with stick. Place that right there. That's going to be our little handle. And a 1x1 plate right there. Now I'm going to flip this back over, and on that stud, a 1x1 nose cone. Now let's set our lid on top of the modified plates with Technic holes. Top should open and close freely. There we go. Now for utensils, I'm going to take a stick with holder. That's going to be a set of tongs. Set that right there. And a silver metallic fork. We've got to have that. In case we're just too hungry, we've got to eat now. And just to make it look a bit better, we're going to throw a couple of hot dogs on the grill. If I had some steak, I'd throw it on there too. Maybe some burgers. There we go.